discuss about the cross section. Okay, so what we are learning in this chapter about volume and surface area if cross section is given. We have studied about volume and surface area in the previous section chapter, but what is the difference about this topic is if cross section is given, then you have to find out volume and surface area. So first we should discuss about what is cross section. So what is the definition of cross section is the cut which is made through a solid perpendicular to its length or height is called its cross section. So what is the meaning of this one? I am taking some objects. This is a bread. Okay, it is a cuboid one. Shape is cuboid. So if you see the definition, the cut which is made through a solid perpendicular to its length. So what is length? Length is C. This is a length of the bread, and perpendicular means making 90 degree. Means we are talking about when we are cutting it this way. So we are getting this cross section. So what we are discussing here, we are discussing about this cross section. Okay, so if this cross section is given, so how can we find out the shape of find out the volume and surface area of this bread? Okay, take another example. If the shape is cylindrical, so what is the cross section? Now come to this definition again. The cut which is means when cut is along the length with the perpendicularly means making 90 degree. So we are talking about this one. So if shape is cylindrical, so we will get this shape. This is the cross section and this is a circle. And for the cross section of this cuboid is this one, and the cross section of this cylindrical shape is this one. Okay, so we were talking about this cross section. So how it is being created? When we cut it perpendicular along the length, then we are getting this section. So what is the definition? Definition is, I think, clear to you. Volume is equal to area of cross section, means area of cross section into length. So what is the meaning of this volume is we are talking about the volume of this complete shape, this complete bread. So what is the formula? Volume is equal to area of cross section into length, means area of this cross section into length. So we will get the complete volume of this bread. That shape is cuboid. In the same way here for the for the surface area of this cuboid bread will be excluding cross section is equal to perimeter of this cross section into length. So we can get the surface area of this one because it is being written over here excluding cross section. So if consider the length of this bread is this one is 10 centimeter. Okay, and the cross section perimeter of this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. If we are saying excluding cross section means these two surfaces, one surface is this one and one surface of this one will be taken out and remaining surface will be 4. So it will be 10 into 4. So surface area will be 40 centimeter square. So this way we can find out the volume and surface area of the given if the cross section is given. So we can find out the volume and surface or area of any shape, whether it is a cuboid one, whether it is a cylindrical one. Okay, so this way we can find out. Thank you.